uba HM Shangpliang MLA ka Mausanram constituency hakas ngibalang ka arpo trik naitung arajar arpoar ula lej bania kendu bat aimen sim ikinuhi kai skul SSA kibala syong klain mungor bat samit haka jaka peniang kali ha additional secretariat bandawai ka sarkar ban siuno ka tulop jengki kabala sateng la hynriew bnai uba HM Shangpliang ulayo bania kran bat kinuhi kai bat kularu bandan rengkat bat bania long ka sur jengki ban pensngau syaka sarkar habai kran berkinong tok kubor uba HM Shangpliang ulong bakum unom ikmat udon ke jins musan kinuhi kai kibalaha ban mi surok bandawai laga jong kahok ulabu jing keliru ya ke sarkar ba shaei ka pisa baka sarkar pedeng kal pelai khlem siew ya ke tulop kinuhi kai mentalah hynriew bnai da ka jing sukhya ulong ru balada ka sarkar kamla ban siew tulop kan kran da ka basai ban khang no sendon ru ya ki skul
dengan sa persyang bangan ra ya kani ka sur jong ki baro bat ka sarkar dan persyang ban kren sa ka sarkar kan ban bu ya king dawa maka sarkar kamdei bat kan treat iki teachers kundi mo ba baro ino hikai la ki wan sa surok ki kamot ki classroom kila thli denam dei mano ba yo ka jing saja ki khon jongi ki bom yo ban le skul namar ki no hikai baro manta kila don surok dala ka sarkar ka dei kan snotu balada ki no hikai baro ki poi sa surok ki classroom baro khoi la khang khagap denam dei de namar kata ngan sara ya kan ni sur jong ki sarkar ni kape kat bala kat pangiso inpe kat sarkar kale umno pakai juba kumon mo waktu lain nakaliang donga ngajudon rekat kinohi kai berbor pakai assembly lu lagi so mengara ke voice yung fi ki mentaru kumju nanle mo so all the best to you mo matasi ngalapoy hakani ka jaka Ahmad ka sekretariat ke bangawan ban ay musim lem ya kini ginohi kai SSA baro kani galong kasin ke baar ke bangawan ban yuk jat hakani keju ke jaka aba menchua kiwan ki nohi kai jong ka ad hoc te ki nohi kai ad hoc ru ki la syong kani keju jaka bat ki labu ki singdawa la da kitayo menta biang yo i ki nohi kai SSA kiwan ki syong hakani keju jaka ban raise ya ka problem jong ki syaka sarkar ka problem jong ki nohi kai kamdei ka batmai kamtam jong ki SSA teachers menta ki labu ki singdawa la slemba badai ban siew ya ka tulop jong ki regularly nangta menta kumbangi yo so hynriew bnai kimpat yo ya ka tulop jong ki mano bala ban penya ya ka yeng ka sem khlem don kanono ka jing siew lan ne khlem don ya ka tulop ngamla ban snowtu nakaliang ka sarkar kay ka daw baka snap man bat balay ka kam ay kata katulop ikini lang rubnay kajingkeli mata si kalong syano ka ja ka pisa ka badai hok ikini ki SSA teachers ka sarkar ka deban pensyai Ahmad kini kinohi kai baro bat hadu menta ka sarkar kampat khot ikini ki leaders ban yekren ban pendek ngam kwa ban i kinohi kai baro kin supoi hasurok bat ban khang kherdap ya ki skul we cannot close down the schools and allow the teachers to come in the streets like this every time. The government should take responsibility of the downfall of education in the state. If for a lot of weeks we saw ad hoc teachers on the street, that means ad hoc schools were closed. Now again we see SSA teachers on the road. That means SSA schools are also closed.
Hello, mic test.
So how long are we going to tolerate? How long are we going to tolerate this? It has affected kalakta ya kapule puthi jong ki khon jongi kimyo shu ya ka jingnang jing start ki khon jongi kimyo shu ban le school ar snem shwa ngila yo ya ka jing saja bom yo ban le school namar menta covid menta mandala pli ke school ab khang biang namar baki strike ino hikai. Who is responsible for this? It is the government who is responsible for this. The government should come and talk to these teachers and release their pending salaries and also enhance whatever salary that they are requiring, and try to sort out their problem, lessen the problems of the teachers. Kampunduna yakijing jong hinohikai. Balay ba shusnap man kumni. Hey gadao, where is the money that the central government has given? Where is the state share that is to be given? Why can't the government just come up with something? I want to see that these teachers go back to their respective schools. I urge upon the government that the government should send back these teachers back to the schools and release their salary so that our education improves in the state. We cannot allow this regular feature of teachers coming on the road. I urge upon the education minister that the education minister should immediately call the leaders of the SSA association and sort out this matter within this week. We will not tolerate to see teachers every time coming on the road like this. That's all I have to say. Tiga long humne. Man badon ke assembly. Nalong ubanung kong UMLA ban raise ki issues ng kinuhikai. Ya ka kam jo ke SSA ngalabam lendet. Uba Aristotle rembai uba day president uju nga yaki details bangade ban kren hapo assembly. Nam jumis man ka assembly bang kren pang ki SSA. Ka jubab bangayo na education minister ba uyeng ban jubab wong matter is under examination. Now kata ka kentin matter is under examination kalayat menta baro sausnem. Nadu hajar khatpra. Nadu hajar khatpra nga raise kita issue matter under examination. Hadu kane ka khlimat. Ka assembly ka ba khadu kan long hau bnai September Oktober. Te hang taru. Ngan sa yos ngaw ya kata ka ju jibab matter under examination. Kali iyo kan ke sarkar. Balay kan ke sarkar ka snap man. Balay kan pensyai si kinuhikai. Kaya gajing do ka sarkar. Lada om dan pisa to batay kin bom dan pisa. Lada om la ban siew tulop to ong kin la ban siew tulop tengin khang no ki skul. Kinuhikai kim day bakin syam jenjar kum ni kin. Menda gini kinuhikai barok kisyong hak jingdum. The sarkar kan aine kam aine kan snap ne kam snap. That is the problem now.